Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete your Outlier AI account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The first step is to log into your Outlier AI account using your credentials. As Outlier login is not available in my region, but I will show you exact step of how to delete Outlier AI account using screenshots. So once you're logged in, go to the top right corner of the page and click on the profile icon, and from the drop-down menu, select Profile. On the new page that opens, scroll down a little until you find the Delete Account option. Click on it. A confirmation message will pop up informing you that a code will be sent to your registered phone number to verify the deletion. Click on the Continue button. Check your phone for the verification code sent by Outlier AI. Once you receive it, enter the code in the designated field. In the next prompt, you'll need to type "I understand" in the provided box to confirm that you agree to the account deletion terms. Click the Delete Account button to finalize the process. After completing these steps, you'll need to wait for a confirmation email from Outlier AI. This email will confirm that your account has been successfully deleted. So that's basically how you can delete your Outlier AI account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.